Hi, welcome to ISE 2022. We're here at the Christie Digital booth. I'm John Dixon, Director of Product Management for Christie Digital. And we're here demonstrating one of our newer LED product lines, the Core Series II. So the Core Series II is a full-featured, mission-critical LED video wall. It's got a pixel pitch range of 0.9 millimeters to 2.5. It really delivers outstanding visual performance, very high brightness, 800 nit brightness, and it has a couple unique features that are included with it. A mission critical a redundant power supply that's built into the displays, as well as an integrated mounting system that gives it a nice thin installation depth of less than 100 millimeters. If you'd like more information about the Core Series II product, you can go to christiedigital.com.